Hello, how are you and welcome back. Now it's time to create a WordPress page and post. First I need to open up our website on the front end so we can view our changes as we work. So we go there upwork.hakali.com. Here is our fresh install. So let's create a new page and post. So I'm going to start with pages. To create a page, you come to pages, then add new. We need to throw in a title, then you need to throw in some content that will appear on the page. This is up work word WordPress install. Then you just publish that. So the page has been published. When you come to our front end, let's just refresh that, and now we need to create a menu from where we can see the links to our pages. So let's come back to our backend, then go to appearance, then menus. So here we'll create a new menu, call it main menu, create menu. Then it's the primary menu. We can automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Save that. We also need to add our page. Now from here you can see the pages we have already. We so far have two pages, an Upwork WP page and a sample page. So let's add both of them to the menu, then save that. Let's come back to our front end, do a refresh. So here is our primary navigation. So this is the page we just created. If you click on that, you can see the content we created over here. We need to put in some lorem ipsum. So what I'll do, let me just open subline. Here we have some lorem ipsum. Let me just copy that, then paste it in. Now to edit the pages, you go to page, all pages. Here is a list of all the pages that we have. Let's edit our Upwork page and throw in our lorem ipsum and update that. So if you do a refresh, here the content reflects sorry about that, in the front end. Now quickly let's create a new post. To create a post, you come to post, add new post. Now before that, let's just create a category so that you can see how to categorize your posts. So I'll create a category called Upwork, because we work in Upwork anyway. So there we go. Now let's add a new post. This is Hakali's post. That's the title. Now this post was brought by Hakali. Now that's the content of the post. Before we publish that, let's just give it a category. Let's select Upwork. You can also give it a tag. Let's give it tutorial as a tag. Add that. Then we can now publish that. Now WordPress made primarily for blogging. If we come to our homepage, we should see an excerpt of all the posts we have. Now we have a default post called Hello World that comes out of the box with the WordPress. Then here we have Hakarli's post, a post we just created. We can open that and see the content of the post. Now we can edit this and pull in something like Lorem Ipsum. I'm gonna add another paragraph so that it's not identical to the page. We can update that. Come back to the front end, do a refresh. Here we have our content. Now to manage all the posts, you can select all posts. Then from here, you can, for instance, trash, quick edit, or edit a post. Now quick edit just gives you a more convenient way of editing the basic information about the post, like the category, the tags, and so forth. So I'm gonna add it to the Upwork category and update that. So if you come back to the front end, refresh that, you can see it's in the Upwork category too. Now let me just go back. You know what? I'm gonna trash that because I don't need it. We don't need Hello World on our blog. So if you go back to the homepage, we now only have one post. The Hello World post is gone. Now that's how you create pages and posts. Let me see you in the next video. I'll show you how to install a plugin. Then sometimes later I'll show you how to install a theme. See you. Thank you. Bye.